burn incense all the time, so when the seller sent me this beautiful brass incense holder, I couldn't wait to check it out. If you notice, it has a very intricate design on the top, and then if you open it up, it also includes a stand for stick incense, and then a stand for cone incense. And then there's also a fireproof felt material in the bottom that is removable. And this is used for preventing fires and also for coil incense. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like with the cone incense. Simply light your incense and then place the lid over it. There are enough holes in the lid to let the oxygen get to the incense so that it stays lit and continues to burn. And if you want to use stick incense, which I don't have any of that right now, you can take this and place it in here. And this works well with the shorter incense sticks. And this works perfectly to hold them in place. You won't be able to put the lid over the top, but this is a great holder still. This is a beautiful brass finish. Here's the bottom. It looks very expensive, but it's very cost effective. I really love this incense burner, and I think you will too.